Brother. Dream team. Baja. Dream team.
Dream team.
This is makeup by Michelle's brother from the US. Rema. Makeup by Michelle's brother this you know. You know that name there already?
Makeup by Michelle, man. Jamaica support us here, man. Yeah, man. Give thanks to Makeup by Michelle, you know. Brother there, one love in a brother. Yeah. Love, you see it?
Yeah. So you come.
Still to build up my house, to live a better life. My open my pocket never empty.
Yeah. And you have the overcomers from the USA. $15,000 from the overcomers.
Overcomer, thank you for this donation, and I hope your pocket never empty.
Yeah, so that's the donation we got now so far from the overcomers. We give thanks so much.
First of all, I thank Father God.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for him, all of this wouldn't possible. But I pray and it worked out. Thank you.
So you just say prayer.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire on a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Concrete that. You can see the light, you see the plum. I keep that around.
Yeah, it's just a funny.
Where? Chisel.
We're not each other. Fly around.
What that? You see him?
honestly.
Once you broke up this, you know,
Plug in the ultimate man and dig it out.
Alright, Carl, then we sit now.
Come back to it. So we're going to mash it up. Go and dig it.
So you still have to cut up same your barger?
No, but it can't lie, it can't move that time. As long as you get the concrete out there.
Oh. Light parks is here.
Steel here, you know.
Light parks and some steel.
You see the... Alright, yeah. You see this? Turn the foot them one way, yeah?
Yeah.
Like I live on them little grass. Hi, let me ask.
Oh yeah.
Get blowing now, blowing, so get blowing. That, them do. Cover on the music cool and get blowing. Christy come here, they change up everything. They change up everything. I start saying, Christy on the play too, Christy.
I'll be that one when I'm buying my mind. Jack with me.
So light box.
Yeah.
And fan steel. Light box, they fan steel. Donna. How is everything, Donna?
Everything alright, you know.
A pleasant morning. Very pleasant. And the viewers, they must say them Donna face just look bright now since everything started. Them say yeah glow.
Yeah, man.
Them say yeah glow. Donna's like couple little things come on for your shoulder now.
Yeah.
So them say your face looks like glow. So you feel it? Feel the difference?
Yeah, we feel different.
Okay. Then from you feel it, you see and you know. Don't you?
Yeah.
They are going to do it, so I have to donation here as well towards the material like over there. Yes, so we have $9,000 from Patricia from the UK. It's 9,000 from Patricia from the UK.
Patricia, thank you for this donation. Love how you help me still to build up my house, to live a better life. My open my pocket never empty.
Yeah. And you have the overcomers from the USA. $15,000 from the overcomers.
Overcomer, thank you for this donation, and I hope my pocket never empty.
Yeah, so that's the donation we got now so far from the overcomers. We give thanks so much.
First of all, I thank Father God.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for him, all of this wouldn't possible. But I pray and it worked out. Thank you.
Amen. So you just say prayers do work then?
Yeah, prayer move mountain.
Yeah, prayers do work. So you pray for this and this happen now.
Yeah.
So it's nothing but joy.
Yeah, man.
So Father God blessings are you.
Every day I thank God for you. Up to yesterday, I say to one of my friends, I say, I get a house myself now.
Yeah.
And she said, a long time you say you want a house for yourself. Nothing never worked before the time. God put it the right time.
The right time.
Yeah.
As we say, it never happened before the time.
Yeah.
And as we are said, you can see it, you can say it more than one time.
Yeah.
At the right place, because if you start the work already, it will be a different story if you start the work down there.
Yes.
Than where it is now.
Because enough complain about it.
Alright. So you say, Father God, know why I'm having plans long time. So we have our intention.
Because I always a pray and I say, Father God, if I don't hear something, if I make the house. Then I one lady look for me one time and said to me, Donna, me hear say you go fix up house. Which part you go fix it? I say, on the house and I live. She say, you're mad? No fix it on the girl. Get piece of land for yourself. And And when me even say it to my baby father when he come in the evening, me not tell him the lady will say it, you know, me just say somebody say it. And him go to work the next day and come back the evening and say, you know something, I told the woman I tell you, no, build up my house. Just find something for yourself. But him did kind of spin round and then after me no know what.
And then it changes.
Yeah.
Changes, everything changes. So, as I said, never done before the time.
Yeah.
And
Time just come.
Yeah. And there was also the delay. The delay was for all the good reasons.
Yes.
And this was for the reason.
Yeah.
Now this is a gone past you. You know, somebody will probably get this long time. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to the donors, we give thanks to the Almighty first and foremost. We thank Father God.
And me ask God, so me say if the house I don't mind, make it fast, but if for me make it stay until Kino ready to buy it for me.
And see that.
Yeah.
What is for you, it is for you. Nobody else can take it from you.
Nobody else can get it.
Nobody else. And this is it.
And anything God said for your mother to go up.
Well said, amen. And yeah, done that. As we want to enjoy the work, as we see I go on, because we don't want you lift no weight. You know, we don't want to see you lift no bucket. We don't want you to get hurt. We don't want to see you lift no black. You know, black that could drop on your toe. You know, probably if you're the younger now, you know, they say, yeah, come in chippy, but you have to go and relax and go and watch where I go on.
Yeah, man.
And stay at the arms here. So then go and take care, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Princess. And another one here. Cause she just say you jump to that big man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do the other side. Can you say make noise something that come this way?
Yes, yeah, Michelle is here.
When I see that,
Yeah. Makeup by Michelle.
you know.
So you know we have to thank Makeup by Michelle again, you know. Providing us with some bibs, football bibs, you know, for the football as well. To say the competition I'm gonna put back on very soon.
Yeah.
You know, we can't stop thank Makeup by Michelle again. What up painter, match your colour. Yeah.
Makeup by Michelle. Only for thanks and respect, you know.
Yeah.
I made a food basket, never empty, you know. Big up, you know, mama. Respect and honor. Yeah, that. Love you, Michelle.
Yeah, Makeup by Michelle, and this is Makeup by Michelle's brother. Or bigger brother, Asma.
Younger brother.
A younger brother.
A younger brother, yeah.
Yes, Michelle. So this is a younger brother in TrenchTown. Was the first time in TrenchTown?
No, I come here all the time, man.
All the time.
Pass through every time when I get a chance.
Oh, you pass through?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't get to stay.
Stay too long, you know.
Yeah. So this is the word now we are doing at the minute.
So then wait.
Yeah. Can go in and have a look. This is where we are.
Okay.
For she plus 3 kids. This is Makeup by Michelle, brother. Dream team, dream team. Baja, dream team, dream team.
I will let them gloves on.
Dream team.
This is Makeup by Michelle's brother from the US.
Bless. How you doing?
Remy, Makeup by Michelle's brother, this you know. You know that name there already?
Makeup by Michelle, man. Jemma support see man.
Yeah,
man, give thanks to Makeup by Michelle, you know. Brother there, I want love in a brother.
Yeah.
I love you, see it?
Yeah. So it comes. So this is Donna. This is her leading the play for. You know, this is her Tuesday. So we kind of upgrade our condition from how it was. I know this is Baja. These are the builder, the teacher, the motivational speaker. This is Makeup by Michelle, brother. Yeah.
That name is a blessed name.
To the program. Yeah.
Yes, you know.
And she drop off some
Name every
jersey.
Yeah.
Some bibs, you know.
Amen.
To the dream team. Can you see the dream team color?
Yeah.
So you know, so when time dream team out and about playing football,
Yeah.
we well match with the colors. Blue.
Yeah.
Blue. So man, I hope I respect when I pass through, man. You know, Makeup by Michelle.
No, I know you not come back. I come through later on, you know. Check you now, you know.
Yeah, man, it's already, man.
Yeah.
You just let me know.
You look different.
Trim shave, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking younger now, trim shave.
See it now? Shave up for regular.
Yeah, you want shave more regular.
Now get your wife.
No, you never
I'll
know.
make another move though, you know.
Alright then, bless up, man.
Yeah, man. Bless it. Yeah, man.
Light
Light box, you ready?
Oh, no, hold on, you know.
1, 2 wall bar too. Yo, what about how go to Boya for the extension?
Now say boy got in a taxi.
No. More empty up that more bus 2 steel for make 2 wall bar. So one yeah. One more.
So Bacha, now we get the understanding now. Now the viewers them can understand.
Yeah.
Right here, so now is where I put the
I put a column here. So you're gonna have a door here.
the door go right where call is.
Right here.
So the column now this is.
Entrance. You know?
So yes, so now will be the veranda.
Yeah, you will have
A
a
little.
little yard way here, thing with clothes and all this stuff, you know.
Okay. So we got the wall list too. Come here,
Yeah,
sir.
well, always come across.
Okay. I wish I did not bring it to the same height.
What this?
Yeah, which
No,
I.
this make you become another black eye.
Oh.
Body can't really
Look over.
privacy. Can't walk and climb up and look over.
Yeah. Black eye.
Privacy.
So the prefect has stand at the walkway. That's the doorway. So as you can see the column and black tail come all the way up the sun.
A beam cross from down there to put up a beam cross. Come straight across. This
Yeah.
straight down. Cast. After we put up this up here.
Yeah.
Then after we done that now, you know, so we can start put on the roof.
Roofing.
Yeah.
So now you got flash out about them part here.
All of these parts are a flash up now. You don't know when Dream Team working and they make it.
Happen.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, they make the dream come
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
That's
When you
it,
see
really.
the makeover, you don't know. It's a beauty.
I tell them man, luxury.
Yeah.
It's a luxury style. Oliver and Carla, you look yourself.
Yeah, every time.
You know.
Ricardo. Don't know, you know, I want to cook off with you, Oliver, you know. Yeah. Don't know, you know, because you part in the seafood, Ricardo.
Yeah.
Oliver. But also,
Yeah,
so we need
different.
that cook off.
Yeah.
You know?
I two different chefs them too, you know.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
two different. At least you know Ricardo
Yeah,
and
man.
cooking here.
Yeah, man. Ricardo. But
Oliver and cooking next.
Ricardo, but
Yeah,
be
bad,
sure
man.
about that. Oliver, you have to prove yourself
Alright
when the
then.
clash start.
Yeah.
We taste Ricardo and me I tell you the seafood. Wow.
Yeah. And outdoor cooking as well.
Outdoor
We're
cooking,
not
you know.
even cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Outdoor cooking.
I tell you.
Make sure I have the tent and everything.
Yeah,
ready.
man. Outdoor, man.
Outdoor cooking.
The thing is though, the place nice again.
Yeah.
You know, visitors, don't afraid right now to visit TrenchTown because the place nice. Last night I was out,
Yeah.
you know, and the team out. Yeah, party, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Party last night, I tell you, say, you see faces from many corners passing through. So we are say right now, brother, I would never wait for so long, but nothing done before the time.
But the thing is, you look at this now, yeah?
Yeah.
Remember before?
Yeah.
They talk for the beer, for the peace and the nicest back in the community.
Yeah.
So now, they don't need fear ear say that anymore.
Anymore.
Yeah, talk about the niceness, the experience now, since all of that.
Full joy last night, me I tell you, man. It was a beauty, man.
Exactly.
Party.
Right,
We have a
true.
good time, me I tell you.
And I hope
Just
the
want it
peace.
to remain the same.
Same, yeah.
You understand? Okay, we love peace, man.
Yeah, man.
Body nice last night. The girls them out.
Everybody,
Girls them a party.
the TrenchTown is up
Everybody
once
out.
again.
So TrenchTown is up again. So visitors, visit the Dream Team now and come and join us and see what we are doing. The place
Yeah.
nice.
Nice.
You don't have to think about it twice.
Twice. Whoa.
Place
Wow,
real.
Chef tell us not
Yeah.
everything twice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And that will be
Dream
waiting.
Team and make it work. So Rasta Jacks them come with the music the right time.
Right time.
We can make it work.
Work.
And it really work. It's working.
It's working.
Yeah.
Right? That is it. Rasta Jackson?
Working, man.
That is it.
That is
Yeah.
it. Huh?
That
Yeah,
is it.
damn right.
From Jackson tell us it I go work.
God.
To work.
Oh,
has
yeah,
to
they're the
work.
current. Or a Messi.
So I need a borrow. Second need a bar. That take more long. Oh, don't go on already still.
Sam.
Oi.
Well, go on. So you're on the student there.
Yo, you want to know that now? I'm doing that and say, I'm going to go somewhere.
Yeah. So all students are going?
Help himself.
Help himself. Yes, help yourself, Junior.
Yeah.
Hold on. I do your thing, so I'm going to have to show you. Junior, go on. So Sam, what am I doing now? What's the... Oh, you're teaching for well?
Yeah, keep practicing for that.
Oh, you just give the test run.
You want to test himself, man.
Oh, test himself.
You don't know, you don't know.
Yes. Oh, so you have to go teach him from scratch.
Some man know how to get flash.
Oh, you know how to get the flash. So you might get some practice.
I read last night.
Oh, so you worked last night too?
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
If you get flash, you know, just turn the one pipe and wash out the eye, you know.
Wait, you must do? Turn on the pipes?
And wash out the eye.
Wash out the eye.
If you can get flash,
Come like gravel in your eye.
Don't rub it.
So don't rub it. So that's why you have to just take your time. You know? That's why you have that, always use that, and your glass. So you
It's too big.
Not too big. Not too big. I want him.
No.
I'm waiting for yourself.
Yeah.
No man, can you one, take up one more that. Like you too tight.
see Junior the right time you learn also. So Sam, this is a good design.
Yeah man,
Yeah.
I can't vanish.
So we had to make the blade?
Yeah man, blade, power like that. I'm trying to see if we can shift it.
Okay.
You want to
Yeah?
You want
Yeah. I'm willing to learn. But I'm willing to learn, Sam, that's good. So yeah then. Oh, and I raise too high. Well, so when time, so you say, so when you raise it too high, the sound sparks more. Like starlight.
Yeah man, this is a salt build up there.
So okay, so you want to do keep it on a level.
Keep on, that's all you want.
So you know, so you want to keep it on one level, and you see a level there, just don't move it. It's where you get like a nice sound there.
Just maintain a sound.
Yeah, just maintain it. I mean, don't change it no time at all. Don't lift it up, just keep it on that. Just listen to the noise. Tell him which one, sir. One. Tell him when, sir. Like that. Just keep it on that sound there. Don't move it at all. There's a steady sound we have first.
Yeah.
Keep it on that sound, just keep it steady. That's the sound we have. See, that's the sound we have.
Me a go on now.
Yeah, go on. Tina, see ya, go on. Yeah man, once they have the panel sound, they go through. Yes, Junior. That's for the chair.
Cutting bed.
And this fit you, it fit you. Look like a welder. The man look like a welder. This is it, this is a welding thing. Yeah? I understand, look like a welder. So you like it so far, Junior?
Yes man, it can go on. Nice.
Nice. Yeah man, just focus man and just continue to do it.
So we kill it.
Eh?
This is kilo.
We are coming yesterday, me and soft the board. And make it smooth.
How are you varnish it, sand it off?
Yeah, make it smooth.
Yeah. Sam, the boy is strong enough, Sam.
Yeah man.
Him strong enough. Don't underestimate him, Sam. Him full of strength, full of energy too. So this kind of smooth out, yeah, go on, man. So the more you learn, the more you have it, and so you can build a chair by yourself. So you know, say your business that.
Well, man. Shit, I'm not good. And the boy, then I move out.
Yeah.
I'm tell my money you want.
So this is your workshop. You understand? This is where you're going to learn and you're going to earn. You know, something where... Yeah.
Meat. Yeah.
See, it's when you do them things there, you always watch him as well. See, you will change him as well to whenever. Everything we see him do, just watch him. I could have everyone pliers him take up, just watch him take up the pliers. Anything at all. Him show Baja a lot of things to you know. Him show Baja a lot of things to you know. Yeah. You tell him, Sam? Yeah, I'm gonna teach Baja too. And natural too. You still see natural so come over here man come help you black. And him teach natural too, so and two good student then get. So Sam, are you go dry the teacup?
Yeah man.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.